Is your RV acting strange on the road? It might not just be age, it could be your transmission failing. Watch out for these key signs your RV may need a new transmission. If your engine revs but your RV won't move, that's a major red flag. Strange noises like grinding or whining? That's another warning. Delayed or rough shifting, transmission fluid leaks, or a burning smell all point to serious trouble. You may also notice loss of power, shaking while driving, or even a check engine light. Your transmission is what transfers power from the engine to the wheels. Without it, you're not going anywhere. If you notice any of these issues, don't wait. Get professional help right away. Contact Ron's Auto and RV for expert diagnostics and reliable repairs. Call 360-583-150 today for trusted Transmission Repair Vancouver, Washington, and keep your RV running smoothly.